everyone, it's Anne here again. I've got these brown paper bags that I got from the supermarket. They're just lunch bags. And I've used them in journals, but they're a bit big. So I was thinking the other day how to make them smaller, or how to make a completely new one. Because what I wanted to do was actually emboss them. That's how I got onto the idea. I was wanting to emboss the bag, but if I put the embossing folder on these, it doesn't go very far down the bag. And if I put it on, to go through the back and the front, I've still got the same problem. So I thought, kill two birds with one stone, although not that I'm into killing birds at all. Make a paper bag that's the same size as the embossing folder. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got one here that I made, and the best part about it is that I used old packaging material that came on a parcel. So I'd like to show you how I did it. This was just scruffy old packaging of a parcel that I kept. I've cut a piece off because it's a bit big for the camera. And I've not cut it very straight, so I'm just going to draw a line so that I've got a straight line to work from. Down there and down there. Okay. Now my embossing folder, I measured it, and it's 11.5 centimetres, which I'm going to call 12 because I wanted a little bit wider than the folder for ease of getting it in and out of the bag. So we'll call it 12 wide, plus I need 1 centimetre to make a seam to glue the two ends together. So I've got to allow for the front and the back of the bag, so that's 12, plus 12 is 24, plus 1 centimetre makes it 25. So if I take a pen and measure 25 from my straight line, takes me to here. Okay, and I need to measure how tall it is. It's 14.5, we'll call it 15, plus 1 centimetre for the gluing the seam together, so we'll call it 16. 16. And we'll draw that line and that line. Alright, so I'm going to cut this out. I've already examined the paper to see which is the best side, and this side's the best. Sometimes you get marks on them where you've pulled off sticky tape or it's got writing on. Make that the inside, so you've got a nice clean part for the outside for doing the decoration. Okay. Now, with paper bags, they usually have the seam, the paper bags, and the commercial ones, they have the seam on the back, not on the edge. If you were making a pocket, you usually have the seam on the edge, but these have got the seam on the back, and I suppose it could be anywhere on the back, it doesn't have to be in any particular place. So I'm just going to fold over my centimetre, that's my allowance for the glue making the seam, and then I'm going to bring these two together as if there was gluing them, but I haven't got any glue on yet. Hold it like that where it would be, and I press it down and just crease it like that. So my seam is actually going up the centre back, really, almost. Just using glue stick. Then I'm going to fold up the bottom approximately a centimetre, like that. And then where I've got the crease line, just going to snip the edges off in like a, sort of like a little angle. So I just snipped off those two like tiny little pieces just on that edge there. And then opening up the two pieces back and front, I'm just going to cut off the one piece at the back that's got the seam in it. So now I've just got the one layer of paper to glue down, a little bit of glue, right. And we've got a paper bag like that, and hopefully the embossing folder will fit in there if I've measured it right. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just take that over to the Big Shot and run it through. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've run it through the Big Shot, and there we have a little brown paper bag that's embossed just on the front. And to finish it off, I'm just going to go over the embossing just to enhance it. And I'm using the archival ink just as it is. I'm just going to run that over. Alright, and the bonus is it grunges all the edges for me at the same time. Alright, that's all you do. Very easy. And I've got two. Alright, well thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you can make some of your own little paper bags. You don't have to make them the size of the embossing folder. You can make them bigger. And you can, if your embossing folders are different sizes, all you need to remember is that it's twice the width plus a centimetre and once the length plus a centimetre to give you the size. Alright, thanks for watching, have fun crafting, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Bye for now.